In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to clean your seats for cheap. This here is my 2006 Acura RSX. I'm just cleaning these two seats. That seat is mostly done cleaning, and this one here needs to clean. And you can see that there's going to be a clear difference when I'm done. And the best part about this is it's cheap. All you need is a shop vac and 2 spray bottles and a brush. That's pretty much it. And I'll show you how to clean. Right here is a after shot. And this here is kind of the before. So I'm going to put the camera on a tripod and show you exactly how to do this cheap and easily. So the first step is to vacuum the entire seat to get all the dust out. I'm going to be using my shop vac here. I finished vacuuming this little section right here. I'm only going to be doing this part so that you can see a clear comparison between this side here and the side that I finished cleaning. Now I'm going to get some regular water. This is just water in a spray bottle, and I'm going to spray the entire panel down. Don't soak it too much, just put a decent amount in. You want it to be kind of saturated, but at the same time you don't want to like pour an entire water bottle onto the seat because that's way too much. You just want to get just enough so that it doesn't soak too deep into the sponge of the seat, and just so that it soaks into the fabric layer of the seat. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and vacuum that part. So for this next step, I'm going to use soapy water. This is just dish soap from my kitchen, mixed in with a little bit of water, and I'm going to spray that into the seat. Make sure you get a good amount in there. Again, don't saturate it way too much, but just get quite a bit in so that you can really clean the fabric layer of your seat. Then I'm going to grab my little brush right here, and I'm going to scrub that piece entirely. Now, time to vacuum. I'm going to vacuum it up again. So as you can see, the results are pretty clear, and that's only after one cycle. From here, I'm just going to keep going, repeating this simple steps, which is water, vacuum, soap, scrub, vacuum, and then go again to water, vacuum, soap, scrub, vacuum, and then you go again. That's just basically this simple process, and you just keep doing that until you get the result you want. So I repeated that cycle a couple times now, and now there's just quite a bit of soap still left in here. So the final step is just to keep doing that with water, spray and vacuum, spray and vacuum until you get all of the soap out. And you can see from all these bubbles that there still is soap in here. So just keep repeating the cycle with water, and eventually all the soap will come out. So that's pretty much it. I just finished off the clean on this little part right here. And you can see the difference. It looks a lot better in person than it does on camera. It looks a lot more black. You can definitely see the dust in here. And yeah, that's pretty much it for how to clean your seats. You just want to repeat this process on the entire seat. I suggest you do little pieces at a time so that you don't mess things up. And generally, it should take about an hour, about half an hour to an hour on an entire seat. My seat right there, that one took about an hour. And this one will probably take about 45 minutes.